Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to your daily update, of course, on Solana. All right. So we'll just do a full update again. I mean, we looked at this yesterday, and yesterday it was a bit lucky, I must say. But yesterday I did tell you that something like this was still most likely. All right. So it's well, at least if you watch my video, you kind of would be expected for the moves we're seeing right now. But like I said, I was also lucky a bit because I did not expect a big move like this for Bitcoin. And the big move we got right here is for sure what caused Solana to get a bullish breakout above 108 again. And the breakout above that level made the entire market structure way more bullish. So that's also one of the reasons why we're bullish right now. But in general, Solana is also doing great. I mean, if you look at all of the numbers, so if you look at the open interest, for example, right here, you can see that we're still gaining a ton of momentum. At this moment, you can see that the open interest is even at the same levels as we were when we were at the prices around 124 and 125. So that's quite bullish. And then on the other hand, we'll look at the fundamentals for Solana in a moment. But on the other hand, which is also important, the Bitcoin dominance seems to have found a little bit of resistance. All right, so that means that we know Solana is very correlated to Bitcoin, but this means that if this happens, all right, and Bitcoin stays at the same prices, which is happening right now, that means that the altcoins are going up. And an altcoin like Solana, which has a lot of momentum right now and is still gaining momentum, and on the other hand, also fundamentally, at least if it's still the same as yesterday, fundamentally is making new highs when it comes to total value locked. I mean, obviously Solana is one of the cryptos that's going to do good. So that's what we're seeing right now. Yesterday when I made the video, my main price target was around 116, 118, I think I said. So we're at that resistance level right now. I mean, you can see historically that's a pretty strong resistance level. Like that's not nothing. So I think we'll get up there. I mean, right now we're at 114.5. I think we can rally a bit higher. The big question is can we break above that? And I would say that kind of depends on Bitcoin or the Bitcoin dominance, all right? Because both Bitcoin and the Bitcoin dominance right now are kind of falling flat. So there's no clear direction. I would say the most likely direction is for Bitcoin to go up and the Bitcoin dominance to go down. So if you believe in that, then you would also expect more bullish momentum for Solana. And I do think that's in line with the market structure. Like if you look at Solana right now, and if you look at how much momentum it has, and that it's about to break a key resistance level for the open interest, which, believe it or not, but that actually does matter. I think it would be foolish for me to say that we cannot break above this. I would say it's most likely we will. And the next price target obviously is the last spike we had at 125. But ultimately, and this has been my target for a long time, if you zoom out, what you'll see is that there's a big level between 135 and 150. I would say that's my ultimate price target. Can we get there? Yes, but it does depend on. I think 125 is pretty certain, even if we get a bit of a pullback here, like this. So I think 125 is pretty certain. But from there, I expect some more resistance, and then it just depends on how much momentum Solana loses, etc. All right, because if Solana loses a lot of momentum at 125, could also be very possible that we'll consolidate a bit first before heading up again. So yeah, be wary of that. I'll keep you updated on that, of course. Short term, this is what I expect. I would say something like this is most likely afterwards, but I'll keep you updated on that. All right, I'll try to tell you everything you need to know. So that's it for now. If you do want more from me, if you have any questions, whatever, let me know down in the comments. There you can see more. There you can ask me, of course, any questions you have. But you can also read more about my premium and signal group. Both very valuable, but that's completely up to you to check out if you want to. For now, thank you for watching. Have a great week, and bye.